Riding lawnmowers are great for being able to tow small trailers around the garden. It's really convenient. The problem is the tow bars they come with have this pin style hitch. It means you can't tow normal road going trailers. That's kind of frustrating. You have to go buy a whole new special trailer to fit. But there's a solution. Let me show you. The solution is to buy one of these. It's a tow ball, just a typical 50mm 2-inch tow ball. And we're going to fit it into the hole where that pin goes. So remove that. You'll find that the pin has a 17mm hole. Now, if you go shopping online for one of these, you need to be sure you get one with a 19mm bolt. So you just Google 19mm tow ball. That means we only have to remove 2mm of material here for it to fit. Now to do that, we'll use one of these, which is a step bit. So we'll drill that out, bolt this in, and we're good to go. That was really loud. Right, then all you need to do is fit the tow ball. Now, it doesn't quite reach, so I'm going to use this washer as a spacer on top. Alright, so that's the tow ball all fitted. If you do need to put the pin back in, you can just unbolt it. Because we've only enlarged the hole slightly, the pin will still fit and you can tow anything you have that requires that kind of a tow hitch. So, I hope you enjoyed that and find it useful. See you again.